All tires one day come to end of use, but that does not mean end of life or that the tires are destined for the landfill. What we can control is how to better use the material, reducing the non-renewable materials that are processed and expended along the way. One step Kal Tire takes in environmental stewardship is devulcanization. While rubber is natural, the chemical bonds that make tires sunlight-resistant and road-ready are not. The addition of chemicals like sulfur creates a rigidity of rubber during curing, also known as vulcanization. Devulcanization breaks these chemical bonds, thus reversing this process. Devulcanized rubber comes from a thermal-mechanical twin extrusion process, assisted by supercritical carbon dioxide, a process developed at the University of Waterloo. The process does not require any chemicals or additives, making it an environmentally sound process. The reverted scrap rubber is returned to a moldable form that can later go into more tires and other rubber products. In short, devulcanization allows us to make more from less, creating ongoing circularity for rubber tires that would otherwise end up in landfill. In short, tires making tires. Devulcanization technology can be broken down into 4 steps. Step 1. Waste rubber collection and sizing. First, Kal Tire collects scrap rubber from retreading and resizes it to the size of granulated sugar. The milling process reduces the size and cleans the impurities, such as metals and fibers. Step 2. Devulcanization. Once properly sized, we feed the rubber into a twin-screw extruder. The sulfur bonds are broken through pressure and critical CO2, while the carbon bonds that give rubber its properties are preserved. The finished devulcanized product is called TDP, or tire-derived polymer. Since this new material contains all the necessary components of tire rubber compound, natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, assorted additives, it is ideal for direct recycling back into new and retread tires. Step 3. Cooling. When TDP comes out of the extruder, it is over 180 degrees Celsius and immediately enters a cold water bath to cool. While hot TDP is very tacky, a rapid cooling process allows us to handle the product more effectively. Step 4. Drying and packaging. Using a custom-built drying system, the TDP journeys through, drying and cooling gradually. The TDP is then cut into slabs, weighed for accuracy and bulk packaged, and used as an ingredient in rubber compounds. As long as clean tire rubber is collected, the devulcanization process is perpetual. Rubber can be indefinitely reused and put back into new tires and retread products. Including retreading, devulcanization keeps the circular economy of tires going, reducing the amount of tire waste that goes downstream and ends up in landfills. This means less waste, a smaller carbon footprint, and more sustainable goods in the Canadian economy. Kal Tire's goal is to extract the most value from every tire while avoiding landfill for as long as possible. Reduce your tire replacements by buying the right quality treads for the right application. Reuse through Kal Tire retread technologies and processes. And finally, reclaim with devulcanization, a leading technology in sustainable, cost-effective, and environmentally minded solutions for rubber. Kal Tire is proud to be a part of the solution and create a more sustainable industry for everyone.